What to do? Yesterday, after last video published, I thinking and looking in my code, and uh, I so I'm satisfied with my discovery, what I know from before, what I learned, and what I can said artificial to code now. It is at first this. Here it is. It is. We look at the documents list, but also down category. Instead of these categories here, I will put component category list. Category list. Create link like it is now departments, of course, not with a href, but with the link. And that category list must have to have props of categories from parents departments. But I will see this moment. I think that I need some logical statement if exists a category from category dependence, or default is all category visible. Category all visible, or category only dependent of clickable department's name. And the most interesting is that I look at I look at this new slice now in department. I have two slices. I have a department slice and I have department's category slice. When I analyze, I conclude that I don't need a department category slice, or pardon, I need, but I don't need a separate slice. It is all about a category table, because strange key department ID is a strange key in category table. And when we look at in Express in backend, here it is. Here it is. Even though we have department ID, here is important these categories, and department's ID, it's strange key in table categories. And that slice I will set to ChatGPT, prompt it, code this tank, in category slice, and I don't need separate slice, and not in document, in departments, but in category list. In category folder, I created in category slice, created new tank. It is here. Categories folder, categories list. Here it is, category list, category slice, I will code a new tank. Now I have 4 tanks for get, post, delete, and update, put. But now here I would copy below a new tank and remove this new tank from departments list. no, from department slice. Here it is, department slice. I don't need it. I copy this tank in category slice, And here is very, very clear that fetch category by department. And that tank correspond with in backend with category table, and place of that is here in this category slice. And of course, I prompt to ChatGPT that instead of href, incorporate link here in departments list, category list, departments list, department list, it must go to departments instead of href links. Create here link, and of course, like departments links, created categories links, and all repeating. Click on category links, open article. This moment, category list would be, I have in plan to put on the department list like child, and below it article like child also. Article list with a link, would be link, name of article, and click on that name, would be open the landing page for that article. It means that it is complete image, a complete solution of public part of this e-catalog, we can call what is part of future e-commerce. And it's all after that creation of links, departments links, category links, and article links. After that, I decided does a landing page go in the same page, would be opened in same page, or a separate page. I think in the same page, because same page there is a menu, left, category, top, and that in that that would be open in same document, because open in separate document must create a new link or same links, what is doubling job. Okay, for now, I have a complete perspective what to do, and I'm going to do doing it. And of course, this video is for you like workshop. I'm here not teacher, but I'm here in this video and the previous video, I'm learners. Learn what you learned if you follow my videos. And now I must create public part of e-catalog, e-retail. And at first I blocked because I remember something, but not active knowledge. And I said, ChatGPT create links of department and open category dependency, and ChatGPT created it. And that creation, slice, department category slice, departments list, and all that circle from action. Action is department name, links, click. It is first step, it is action, and that action go to Tank. Tank communicate with the backend Express. Query would be sent to Express, send query to MySQL. MySQL return result with the response object coming back, coming to Tank back. Tank called, Tank received back result of calling, of request, and dispatch it to store like state, new state, new reducer, and that state use selector go to categories state in departments list, and that categories now I will code it. I prompt ChatGPT that code it. That categories go in like props in category list, child, etc. After creation links, all my goals, my aim is that all coding ChatGPT, and my role here, and my role here is knowledge, to know what to do, to know what to say in short step, to say to ChatGPT what to say. And of course, I know what I want, but when we go practically code step by step, practically prompt to ChatGPT what to code, we test ourselves how we are in practice. It is practice. And I like that you practice together with me. You see through this video how I thinking and how I go ahead. Of course, I insist, I prompt ChatGPT that departments list, every list in my coding must have excerpt part, must have departments excerpt, categories excerpt, because it first insist on that principle. It is separation by goal, separate component for singular one department, and list create map, use map for that component. Insisting in principle, it is practically practice. Sometimes it is we don't need it, but we need it because of principle. Principle is principle. Principle documents excerpt now, if it is only name, without button, what we have before. It is nothing, but it is nothing coding inside of that, because all this side there is a 45 row of coding, and but if you insist on principle, you practice for top project. Top project, you will experience it for top bigger project, and it is reason why I use from beginning. Why I use Redux, not separate React through Widia, and after that separate Redux. It is very hard to remember. But when what we have in this video, we have Redux and React together, because it is something excellent for me to have a central manager. And Redux is for me, I take it because of same company produce React, Redux, and router. It is three teams in Meta. Separate team what produce, because every of that can be part of other environment, not only for React. Also, React can use some other, not router, some other than Redux, etc. And I didn't explore what is the best, because by my intuition, and I take Redux router and React like one body, and use it from the beginning if we need. We didn't need router for admin panel. Okay, I hope I was clear. It is a video not for it is not, I don't teach you something I does, but I teach you how I thinking when I don't know what to do, when I stay in front of problems. Even though I learn it through my video and my practice before, but now here in concrete the situation of e-catalog, I have blocked how to begin. And you see, I begin that ChatGPT, prompt ChatGPT create only name in department list and create every name is linked to dependent category. And you see, ChatGPT created a separate slice, and now I know that that slice go to category slice. I see href link, it must change in links. Created a category list in a document departments list. It is contra solid, principle solid. In solid is acronym, and first letters S, separation by goal. It means why created about list, category list and document list in one component. Why not combine department? Yes, yes. I will. I not put all in departments list. I put all that in maybe app.js component, fundamental component, put the departments category articles, but links, all about links, go to index. It is router 6 and in application for 170 I have router 6 example of some kind of e-catalogs. Okay, because now ChatGPT put use only departments list and put categories not like, don't use category list, but why I want have free departments, component, free category and free article, because in design that I can put in design departments list horizontal on the top, category list left, article in middle right, that I'm free in in a location, create location, choose location for that tree list, that tree list, and landing page for article. Okay, I think that I have a wide image for solution of this e catalog, and it is only that I start to prompt to ChatGPT. Absolutely, I don't like type code. Absolutely, I won't use ChatGPT in coding, but in very, very small steps, gives prompts and control it, and I govern. I am guide. I am architect. Model authors, strategist, tactic. All it is in my hand, but ChatGPT only code that what I prompt. I don't code. I don't type, and ChatGPT don't think of anything. Only coding what I said, because ChatGPT cannot think, don't know, cannot think, and I can think. Okay, you, if it's a thinking, take your job, thinking. But I am very bad in coding. I must look at if I coding by typing, my typing is slow, but never mind it. My repeating some code, what I learn, what I understand, I must again find it and look at it and look at in that code and typing or copy that code. Very, very complicated. And this moment, I think that I have millennium years ChatGPT, and that I never work typing, but before, only 1 year, 2 years ago, I have to type, have to copy it, have to control all my programming project. Even though I am not programmers, I always working in as a teacher and professor, but I created, I code, I create architecture, created all application for my private school. It was a very, very big application for online learning, online school, for our classroom school, from invoices to all schedule about foreign languages and computer courses until final certificate. All was on the push of button. We only must people only must enter students, enter schedule, enter data, and after that application work or other give invoice, give certificate in the end, etc., etc. Follow all that. It is for course. Also coding. I'm coding one accounting software. It was one afternoon in WordPress. It was Data Perfect. It was part of Word Perfect Office, Data Perfect. It was relation database, Data Perfect in DOS. And in that I created in one afternoon, because I understand accounting system for company. And for my school, I created the accounting system, and our accounting service use it. Okay. Yes, I created it in Access, not online. Online school created in SQL Server, and it is ASP.NET technology, the Visual Basic Net created online school in that time. But after that, I'm going to PHP and MySQL and that open source and created some project what I need for school, but beginning in Access and in Data Perfect, in DOS, but of course, Fortran was my first program on faculty. It was 70, 74, 73. And all that logic, all that was in faculty. And today, I don't know who with whom can work. Does it my learning process and my learning process depends about my experience. My experience is 40 years. 40 years contact with programming, and I remember that I have a small pocket Casio calculator, in which I can program basic. And of course, the best course all the time on the Coursera is about build computer from NAND to Tetris. Hardware and some excellent course. And all that knowledge, what happened behind scene, how that React application, React Redux application, Express, MySQL, how all that together, but concretely React and the Redux application, and how it go to JavaScript engine. What is JavaScript engine or machine language? What is it machine language? How our script go from go through JavaScript engine to machine code and go through memory and processor. And I don't know how all that together go with my today learnings new languages. And my conclusion is that every of us have a own learning process. And we must find our own learning process. How? Experiment with many. you must have from beginning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, after that React, or somebody start from React application, simple React application, and from that go to JavaScript basic, but look at application and go and learning JavaScript in backend and learning HTML and learning CSS. It is different kind of every of us. I created my books and I created my video. To me, what I like, how I like to learn, and I know me, I know how I learning what I want, and that kind of book I want, that kind of video I like, and that kind of explanation I like, that somebody explained to me, and I write, I record to me, uh, and if somebody of you find yourself that kind of that kind of content, that kind of organization, that kind of content, educational content, is good for you, you will follow my video and use it in your work and in your teaching and maybe in your teaching others. I always said that everybody today must thinking about teaching, because in some working place, new people go in, some people go out. It is very fluctuation, big fluctuation, and always in that fluctuation, it is excellent that some developers like to explain others, because every explanation is not one direction. It is always two direction. But it knows everybody who explain, and in that river of working force, river of developers, teach one another is very prized characteristic in company. Okay, this is all for this video. Here is IK. Welcome this video, and thank you for watching this video.